Let's say someone's listening to this, they're convinced, they go online, hopefully, and order the book, which I absolutely encourage. But what would you say is the first thing they can do?
Okay, so one of the things I love about you, Michael, and about the whole team here at CRISP is how much you love video and the power of video. So I'm going to throw a gauntlet down video challenge that I promise will take less than 2 minutes, will dramatically change your approach and your philosophy on employee experience, and will impact one of your team members in a way that I'd posit they probably have never been impacted at work. So here's the challenge. I want you to take out your phone. Everybody's got their phone either in their pocket or their purse or on their table with them. Take out the phone, open the camera, switch it to video, and flip it to selfie mode. And I want you to shoot a selfie wherever you are. If you're exercising, you're doing the dishes, whatever it is, as soon as you're done, don't worry about the video settings. Don't worry about the lighting and the sound. Okay, worry about that for other videos you create, but not for this one, okay? And here's how the video goes. In this video, for the hypothetical I'm going to share, I'm going to pretend that Michael is one of my employees and I'm sending this video to him. I want you to think of the employee that you value the most. Now, I know that's maybe an unfair question to ask, and you're like, but Joey, I love them all equally. No, it's like your kids. You have a favorite, okay? Just acknowledge it just yourself for this one little hypothetical exercise. I want you to think of the employee that you value the most. And I want you to shoot him a video that goes something like this in selfie mode. Hey, Michael, just wanted to shoot a little video for you. I was listening to the Game Changing Attorney podcast. It's this crazy fun podcast I listen to, and they had this weird guest, Joey Coleman, on, and he asked us to think of our favorite team member, our favorite employee. And I gotta confess, I immediately thought of you. I love the way you show up for our team. I love how thoughtful you are, how prepared you are. You come to every conversation, not only with your own thoughts, but with other questions. You're constantly looking to improve our game. You're constantly looking to make things better. You've got a heart of gold. You show up and you roll up your sleeves and help. The other day we were having this project and it was clear that some of the other team members hadn't done their part, and you jumped right in, and you jumped in without judgment. You jumped in to help with grace. We couldn't do it without you. And I know I should say it more, and I know I should acknowledge and award you more than I do. But in this moment, I just wanted to let you know, you mean the world to me. I'm so thankful that you're part of our team. Thank you. And then send the video. Here's the trick, friends. Don't watch the video. Don't listen to it again, because here's what's going to happen. You're going to watch the video and you're going to be like, oh my gosh, I stumbled on those words, or oh, the lighting wasn't good, or I can't believe I was wearing that shirt when I filmed this. No. Send the video. Why? Because number one, if you go back and rewatch it again, you'll never send it. You'll go to take 2, take 3, take 5, and then you'll never do anything. Number two, when the recipient gets that video, they will know it was shot in the moment. They will also see that you're standing next to the dishwasher wearing a t-shirt, and they'll go, wow, this is sincere. This is real. This was in the moment. And what you've just given them is a digital artifact that they matter. Humans in 2023 and beyond want proof that we matter. We're dying for proof that we matter. And you've just given them a video that not only are they going to watch, but I can almost guarantee they're going to show it to their significant other or their parents or their kids or their roommate or their loved ones. They're going to save that video. On days when they're having a tough go of it, they're going to watch that video again. In those moments where maybe you're not as gracious to them as you should be, or as appreciative to them as they should be, they're going to be able to go back to that video and say, no, actually, he does care about me. She does care about me. This is a little thing you can do. And when you're done doing that video, guess what? You can film another one and another one. And you could do this every day for the next week or the next month, or until you've sent a video to every team member. And then guess what? Send another one. Go back to that first person you sent the video to and send another video. You can't send too many of these if you're sending them from a place of, I want to make it clear how much you matter to me.
Wow. Yeah. And it's free.
And it's free. It. You already have the camera. And some of you are maybe saying, but Joey, I don't know my employees' cell phone numbers. Really? Okay, we have to have a separate conversation, right? Text them. Let them know. Here's the crazy thing I'll say about phones. We're living in an era right now where if you receive a text message with a video, it's most likely coming from a sibling, a parent, a child, your college roommate, somebody that's in your inner circle. They're in the saved numbers, the favorites, right? It's probably from one of those people. So many employers and law firms are notoriously guilty of this. Talk about the family. Oh, we're one big family here. why aren't you using the mode of communication that right now is primarily used by close family members? That is sending videos, sending GIFs or GIFs, depending on what part of the world you're from, sending little text messages, those type of communications with your people. You can be human and still be professional. You can be fun and still be a lawyer. These things are possible, I promise you. And when you do that, you start to change the way your people think about your firm.